Hi there, my name's David Miles. I'm the owner and CEO of Paintmasters. We're a full-service painting company who does custom cabinets. We do drywall, interior, exterior, pretty much anything that you need painted, we can provide a good service for it. We were established in 1992. I was a union painter back in the 80s. We started just painting exterior of homes, and we have grown into be a company that does all kinds of painting, interior, exterior. And that's one of the benefits of being trained as a union painter back then, because I was able to learn wood graining, faux finishing, a lot of the specialty items that you just don't get as a painter. That's what kept me in business for over 3 decades. So everyone here at Paintmasters is trained monthly to protect your home, to make sure that it's prepared properly for painting, and then to apply the finish coat so that final coat goes on and the transformation is amazing. We also have great communication throughout the whole process, from keeping you posted daily on the progress to meet windows of time and to make sure your job goes as smooth as possible. We also provide warranties that a lot of companies don't, and those are standard for our cabinetry, our interior, and our exterior. Our team represents Paintmasters very well. We have people here that have been here long-term, from 23 years down to 5 years, and they're all trained in every aspect of the trade, from exterior to interior to specialty coatings on the cabinets, to staining, to refinishing. I oversee a lot of the work, the quality, to make sure everyone is staying the course and communicate with the clients as well. I can explain to them the process and how this is going to affect their home and the end result of the project. And most people appreciate that kind of detail that I provide for this company. So if you're ready to get this paint job done, let us help you transform your house and protect that biggest investment of yours out there. For long-lasting results, please hire Paintmasters.